Hi, hello, and welcome to Vero's Easy World. Today, we are going to show you something very magical and something very useful for everyone. It is lockdown, and we are all sitting at home. We cannot go to the parlor. We have to do some self care. So, the summer is getting really heated up. So, today, we are going to show something that is so useful for the whole body, like for the hair, for the skin, for the lips, and for your. It can be also used for the massage of your body. So for this we need a very useful seed that is called the flax seeds. Flax seeds are available in supermarkets. It is very well available. So what are the benefits of flax seeds? It's that it is so rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is very good for the skin, and with this flax seeds we are going to make a gel. And with that gel, what are the magical uses that we are going to do? We are going to show you in this video. So do subscribe, like and share this video, and also tell this about this to all your friends. So for this we need to have few flax seeds, and this is the flax seeds that we need. It's easily available in all the supermarkets, and it is highly beneficial for the hair, skin and the lips. You do try it just once, and I bet that you will never stop doing this. You will not have to go to the parlor again for any kind of treatment, for self-care or any kind of thing. So we need to have like a quarter cup of flax seeds and 2.5 cup of water. Make sure you need to have 2.5 cup of water, because if you don't add the right amount of water, the gel will not turn out and it will be very thick. So I take 1/4 cup of flax seeds and 2.5 cup of water. Here you go, you can see in the video. So I have added 2.5 cups of water to it, and after adding water we are going to boil it. Once we boil it, we will get once it get boiled, you'll get a gel from this, and using this gel and also the other extracts, we can use it for so many other purposes. You can actually keep this thing in the refrigerator for almost a week and use it for your hair, your skin and your lips. So boil it nicely. Once you boil it, you can see a gel oozes out from this. So continue to boil it, and now I'm going to strain it into a clean bowl. Yeah, here you go, you can see now itself, you can see a gel have oozed out from these seeds. So I'm going to take the gel, extract the gel from this. This is very useful for your hair, for the scalp of your hair and for the skin. It will give an amazing glaze for the skin that it will be unbelievable. So these are the extracts. You can keep it for further uses of making other things for the skin and all. Now I have taken little gel from this. So you can see a nice consistent gel which I have taken from the boiled flax seeds. So trust me guys, you won't need to go to the parlor again with this. Now from this extract, I'm going to take 1 spoonful of flax seeds and I'm going to grind it. You can keep this in the refrigerator and use for further purposes. Now I have taken aloe vera gel. You can use Himalaya or any other aloe vera gel that is available. I'm going to mix it in it and will grind it into a very smooth paste. 1 spoon of the flax seeds boiled, and you're going to see this is the way you will get a paste, a nice thick paste. Now what I'm going to do is, if you have any containers or any small leftover chocolate boxes, in this way you can fill it into that and make, or if you have an ice tray which you are not using it at home, you can pour it in an ice tray also and keep it. You're going to keep it in the refrigerator and freeze it. See, I have frozen this and made small cubes this way. And what I'm going to do is, daily before sleeping, you can just rub it over your face. Now I'm using my hand. You can do the same thing on your face. Just rub it nicely, massage it on your face. It will be, once you have made it into ice, keeping it in the fridge, you can nicely massage. It will give an instant glow, and it will help in also blood circulation. It is very good for the scalp. It will help in blood circulation, and it will, once the blood circulation is increased, the natural glow will come in. Now I have taken the gel in another container and I have added aloe vera again. As you can see, I have taken the gel and added aloe vera into it. Nicely mix it. Since you can see, I have nicely mixed it. The gel, aloe vera and the flaxseed gel are nicely mixed. Now after that, you need to make sure that it's not the gel is not sitting separated, and both the gel are nicely mixed. Now what you need to do is, you can apply this, or you can also make a paste of it and keep it in the fridge and use it. Now see, I am going to use it in the scalp. Nicely use it in the scalp. It will boost up the blood circulation in the scalp, and it will also reduce dandruff. You can apply it to the scalp and comb the hair. You can use this for children also. It will not give any kind of reaction or any kind of allergy, because it is all natural. So this is the way you can use for the scalp. It will, since the blood circulation is increased, it will also help in great growth of hair. Now the next thing I'm going to make is a lip balm using it. So this is the gel taken, also beetroot grind. Beetroot is grind into paste, and I'm going to take the juice of the beetroot. It's for the lip balm. Now I'm going to mix it with the flaxseed nicely. You can see a lovely color coming up. Beetroot is also very good for the lips, for darkness of the lips. And now this can be used as a lip balm. This, see the color, can be used and instead of lipstick. So these are the 3 things that you can make from flax seeds. It is really helpful for the glow of glowing soft hair, and for the glowing skin, and for the natural lip balm. So it is very effective. You must try it. Flax seeds are very beneficial, and once you try it, the results are amazing, that it is unbelievable. So do subscribe, like and share this video, and please also try this at home, and definitely write it in the comment box of how was the change that has happened to your skin and the scalp. So just wait for the next videos. We will be uploading more videos with more such tips and life hacks. So take care all of you till then, till we meet again. Take care of yourselves. Tata, bye bye.